Hi everyone, welcome to the bestaphic show channel. In this video, we want to talk about what happens to our body if we only consume soda for just 10 days.
In a small soda can, there are 40 grams of sugar, equivalent to 10 teaspoons of sugar.
But the sugar in the soda is not the sugar that we usually get from shops and stores. Today, most factory-produced drinks use high fructose corn syrup, and its uses for two reasons.
Number 1. The syrup is made from cornstarch, so it is very cheap for the producer, while for the consumer it is at the cost of his or her health. There is a significant difference between glucose syrup and high fructose corn syrup. Glucose can be used by most of our body cells as fuel and is primarily used for energy, while fructose metabolism is handled by the liver, producing more fat over time, leading to fatty liver.
Number 2. If we consume high fructose corn syrup, it won't give us a feeling of satisfaction or satiety, prompting us to consume more and more of this beverage. It is the second reason for using these types of sweeteners in sodas.
Additionally, when we drink soda, we also receive caffeine and phosphoric acid simultaneously, which affects our heart, causing blood pressure crisis, stimulating our brain and nerves, causing calcium crisis, and consequently affecting our bones.
Now we often drink soda with various fast foods, a deadly combination that also breaks down our DNA strand, causing the following damages: eye destruction, brain destruction, kidney destruction, inflammation of blood vessels, and diabetes.
30 minutes after drinking soda, our immune system is suppressed, making our bodies susceptible to infections.
Moreover, soda empties our B1 and D vitamins and blocks our vitamin C, as glucose is very similar in structure to vitamin C. Therefore, if you consume a lot of sugar, you cannot absorb much vitamin C either, so in fact, soda cleanses our stomach and intestines from nutrients and vitamins.
Cancer cells also crave sugar, which is why one of the cancer treatments is fasting, because it makes the body convert its fuel from sugar to fat.
Does soda consumption make us obese? Sodas and packaged fruit juices cause rapid fluctuations in our blood sugar levels, causing us to feel hungry and stimulate more insulin secretion.
Each time insulin is stimulated, fat burning decreases, and this cycle gradually leads to obesity. Even the World Health Organization has referred to sodas as the main cause of the obesity in children.
We hope this video has been useful for you. bestaphic show channel wishes you health and well-being. If the well-being of your loved ones, friends, and family members matters to you, share this video with them now to collectively contribute to improving their health. In order not to miss our next videos, you can click on the subscribe button and the bell. Thanks for accompanying me on this video. Bye bye!